All right, so that's your broken latch or pull, and these are the cables you are not going to use. All right, here it is again. It's that Roadster you've been dreaming of for years. You got that Pontiac Solstice, maybe the Saturn Sky. It's the same thing. You've had it for a bit, and now you've realized it's older than a year old, so every piece of plastic is broken on it. All the bushings are falling out. It's GM quality, so these are always broken off. So what this video is about is just it's not the whole process for replacing your hood pull or your hood latch, whatever you want to call it. GM's only going to sell you this with the cables fully attached. I've done it that way. Getting routing over to the passenger side is a job. So what I would recommend is just pulling the old broken one out. It's pretty easy. I mean, if you're doing this, I'm just gonna give you two tricks on how to do this. So we're gonna go around. I've already done the driver's side. All right, so you don't wanna mimic the latch being open to get all the slack off the cable. And then you're gonna pull that cable out. This is gonna give you enough slack. You cannot you can't just install the new handle without doing this. You're gonna have to get the tension off, which means you're gonna need to really need to get a camera mount. This, that piece right there needs to come out. Of course, it's not focusing. So to do that, you're gonna wanna use something with a 90 on the end to get the backside, because there's gonna be two plastic tabs. You can do one at a time and kind of just wiggle it out. All right, so some MacGyvering, and you got that all the way out. That's what you're working to get out of that right there. We just talked about that. All right, so that's trick number one, is getting the tension off those cables. This is gonna be the second trick. And this is gonna be it, and then you're just gonna go in reverse, put those cables back in, get the tension back on, and basically screw this thing back in. So you're gonna need just a basic pair of needle nose, and this is the trick right there. To get these things in, because you're not gonna have enough slack or space, right there, see how I got this thing pre-bent? You're gonna need to pre-bend them, that way they just fall right in. Let me see here. What the goal is that's where it goes in, but you're gonna need to slide it over. Let's see if I can do this. That's what it's gonna look like when it's in. That's how you get them locked in. They gotta go to the sides so they don't pop out, obviously. Yeah, so just go in reverse, hook the cables back up, and that's how the easy way to put a new hood pull in for your Pontiac Solstice or Saturn Sky.